Welcome to Kimstech channel. I want to present a very useful technical tips, and this is how you adapt a GOtv aerial cable so that it can be used on a free-to-air digital TV or even on a free-to-air decoder. Those who are familiar with the GOtv aerial, you know the GOtv aerial usually terminate on both ends with an F connector jack, like this one. This is what we call an F connector jack. The area that I'm using today is an area that look like this. This area is called horizontal area. There are some people who use grid area, mostly because in an area where the signal is weak. Both the grid area and also the horizontal area have got a wire that has F connector on both ends. So this end is usually connected to the input port of the decoder and then screwed like this. However, if you want to use this GOtv aerial on your free-to-air digital TV or even on a digital free-to-air decoder, this jack will not plug in. Reason is, this jack is not meant to be plugged directly on most of the TV sets. The jack that is supposed to be plugged onto the TV set usually look like this, but this one is different. This is the back of the TV set. As you can see, there are several inputs for the signal. There is HDMI port there, a flash disk input there, another HDMI there, and then at the bottom here there is the input port of the aerial, which look like this. Now this is where the digital signal to the TV go through. It is important you know how to adapt this jack so that it can plug into this TV jack. And so I'm going to show you a very important component that you add onto your GOtv aerial so that it can be used by a digital TV. Well, to be able to use this cable that comes from the GOtv aerial, then it is important that you adapt this jack, this F connector jack here, so that it can be able to plug into your TV socket. And for it to be able to plug onto your aerial socket, then you need to use an adapter that look like this. An adapter that has got one end RF jack, the other side it has got some threads which you attach onto your F connector jack. This is how you do it. So there is a small hole here, so you put the center cable of your RF jack onto that small hole, and then you push your jack in, and then you tighten, you fasten it onto your F jack. So that's how it will look like. One side is just an ordinary normal metal RF jack. They are in different shapes. This is an arrow type. They are also straight type, but they work the same. One side it is just an RF jack, the other side it has got a thread. So they're usually metallic in nature. Once you have added this jack on your RF connector, then it can be plugged easily onto your TV socket. I want to plug this so that you see how easy it is to do it. But before you plug this jack onto your TV, it is important you ensure that your TV is set to the correct input signal. This time loud, we are not getting our signal from a decoder. We are getting our signal direct from the aerial. So it is important that on your TV remote, you press the source button, and in some TVs, this source button is labeled as AV/TV, and in TV remotes, this button is labeled as input. So once you press that button for the input or for the source, then you select TV, and in some TV sets, this appears as DTV. So you select either TV or DTV. DTV means digital television. So once you've selected the correct input, you see a display on your TV that there is weak or there's no signal, which is true because there's no signal getting through into the TV. So I want to plug now the cable that comes from the GOtv onto the TV. So at the back of the TV, this is the input for the area. So I'll come with my cable here and plug the jack inside the socket very easily. And once I do that, you find that the signal goes through, you have your TV now working. As simple as that. I hope that you'll be able to do this by yourself. So I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for listening.